Hey everyone, Nat here with No Big Deals. Just a quick review on this Vivosun 9-liter cool and warm mist humidifier. There's a design flaw with this unit. If you're looking for the warm mist function, then you're going to be very disappointed. That's because this is how it's worked. Once you turn it on, you set the humidistat level, and then the warm mist button is here. You hold it down for 3 seconds. As you can see, sometimes the button itself doesn't work. But assuming sometimes it needs to be reset. But even when it works, let's say you were able to turn this on. There you go, now it's working. Set the mist level, hold it 3 seconds to turn on the warm mist. This little icon here means warm mist is on. But the problem is, once the humidifier reaches its desired humidity that you set, which we set at 55 earlier, right now it's 42, it's going to turn off the warm mist function. So that means you have to manually set the warm mist and hold down the warm mist button again, which is like a really stupid design flaw. I emailed the company and they said that's the way it works. So if you're, nobody has time to go keep hitting the warm button again after it hits its desired humidity level. So right now, if let's say we try to do 45, right now it's at 42. Once it hits 45, as you can see, the warm mist button actually got reset already when I changed the humidistat level. Let's set it again here. Now the warm mist is on again. But once it hits 45, it's going to turn off and you have to manually set it again. So it's a very stupid design flaw. That is the main reason I don't recommend this. And even the warm mist itself is not warm at all. You touch it and it's still pretty cool. If you want a true warm mist humidifier, you need to get the one that has the heating element. This one does not. The other problem with this thing is it's just really hard to clean the way the tower is set up inside. There's like a tube that goes from the inside to the outside. I can open it up and show you. That tube that goes up is subject to a lot of mold inside the tube, so it's kind of a pain to clean. So that's the other reason this is not a recommended model. So if you're looking for just cool, then it's probably okay to live with. You can deal with it, but definitely don't get this if you're looking for warm mist. Actually, lifting that up actually reset it as well. You see it turned off at 44, 45, and the warm mist function is off. And then once it restarts, the warm mist is not going to be set. So we put it up to like 50, it's going to restart, but then your warm mist doesn't stay on, like the sterilize button here. That stays on, but not warm mist. That's all. Any questions, comments? Let us know. Thank you.